Hi there, this video's got live, very intense, aggressive, severe thunderstorm. Woking Town, weather forecast UK 23, like video. Wow. Please and fuzz on the left side of the screen, tighten them out in digital, it's 15:55 PM in the afternoon. Hour, that's 5 minutes to 4 PM in the afternoon, and it is Wednesday, the 26th of August 2023. So there's flash and fork lightning over here literally about 2 minutes ago. I'm not joking. This is live right now. This is very tense, guys. Thunderstorm over Woking Town right now. This is live right this minute. This is tense, man. This is tense, man. It's what we call a Tudor cloud or tornado cloud, supercell war cloud. Along the horizon, forming tornadoes, hailstones, size of marbles, and you name it, guys. Fork lightning, sheet lightning, very heavy rain. A lot of energy in the atmosphere today. I'm not joking. This is a very intense thunderstorm over Woking Town right now. That's thunder, guys. This is tense, man. 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 Here comes the heavy rain, guys. I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel on Sunny Gems. May the force be with you always. Go and support the needs and early. Outweigh the need to feel. This is my friend Sparky and Jimbo on the ITF Friday feed. So Hills Race Station every Friday, 3 to 5 PM analog. In digital at 1500, 1700, ITF Friday feed. So Hills Race Station every Friday at 3 to 5 PM. And listen to my friends John and Matt live on Last Show every Sunday, 9 to 12 PM. On the Woking Race Show every Sunday. And this is my friend Shane through the years on the Surrey Hills Racing Show every Monday afternoon, 3 to 5, well, 2 to 3 PM in the afternoon. And that's thunder again. In digital, that's 1400 to 1500 PM in the afternoon, every 2 weeks on a Monday afternoon on the Surrey Hills Racing Show. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my shot on Sunny Jones. My I'll be happy. Bye, everyone.